If for any reason you don't want to be part of Windows Insider again, you can easily leave. So let me walk you through on how you can leave from the program, okay? Click on Start, select Settings. On this new page, click on Windows Update. This will open the Windows Update settings page. Scroll down and come down to Windows Insider Program and click on that spot. This opens this page you are seeing right now. Then the next step you need to take is to click on Leave the Insider Program. Okay, it's not a force to stay there. If you don't like the updates you're getting or you don't want to help them build a better community again or a better program, okay, you can always leave. So click Leave the Insider Program. You'll be taken to the web page, so hold on for it to load. We are taken to this page so you can read through. It says Windows Insider help shape the future of Windows, and your participation is important to us. But if you are sure you do like to stop getting emails and Windows Insider preview builds from us, you can register and leave the program. If you do just like to stop getting insider preview builds, you can also enroll your device, but stay registered to keep getting email updates from us. Note, if you are receiving insider preview builds on a device managed by your organization, you still get preview builds until your organization changes your device settings. Okay, so for you to leave, you need to do what? Log in. Or if you want to stop receiving insider previews, you can go with this. Or stop receiving insider preview builds as a business. You can go with this option. But here we want to leave the program. So let's log in. So click on login. Then log in with your Microsoft account details. As you log in successfully, click on Leave the program now. You can still go ahead and click on the option Stop receiving insider preview builds, okay? So these are just the few steps you need to take to exit the program. That is Windows Insider Program. Thank you for staying to the end. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment, okay? If there's any tutorial you want me to cover as well, leave it in the comment section. See you some other time.